Welcome back to Newswatch. It's been a beautiful day here across the mountains of southern West Virginia. Temperatures are currently in the mid 70s right now. We are still seeing some upper 70s, even 80 in some spots, 81 in Lewisburg and 80 down in Pipestem. And for that hourly planner, we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy conditions, but then that's going to clear out for tomorrow. We'll see that sunshine in the morning, and then temperatures overnight are going to be in the low 60s. On that satellite and radar, we can see a few isolated showers popping up. The heating of the day is helping to keep these together, but they're not severe, they're not long lasting, and most of us aren't even seeing any of them. And then for the rest of the region, most of us, as well as most of our region, are staying dry right now, and that's going to be the case tomorrow as well. And then this weekend, we could see that change. Right now, we're staying dry. Tomorrow is going to be another dry day. Saturday, we could see the rain chance slowly start to increase. Then for the weekend, the rain is looking much more likely. We are looking at those dew points as well. Today, they're feeling a little muggy out there, but tomorrow it's going to be very comfortable outside. But enjoy that, because we can see that slow increase in those dew points through the weekend, and by next week it's going to be feeling humid again outside. For that mowing forecast, tomorrow is a great day to spend some time outside. Saturday not looking bad either. We could be dodging some rain and some isolated showers, but still plenty of dry hours and sunshine, so you might squeeze some outside time in. Sunday and Monday, however, looking a little bit more rainy, so that's something to keep an eye out for. And that UV index for Friday tomorrow, it's going to be a 9, so it's going to be very high. The burn time will be 15 to 20 minutes, so make sure you pull out that sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun and from getting sunburned. It's going to be warm tomorrow, so if you go out and get an iced coffee like I probably will, it's going to probably be good to get a medium. We're going to see low 80s tomorrow, and it's going to be a warm afternoon. For the next 7 days, tomorrow looking beautiful, partly cloudy conditions with temperatures in the low 80s. Enjoy it while it's here, because for the weekend we could see some isolated showers start to move in. Those rain chances slowly increase by next week. Monday's looking pretty rainy, and then we could see some showers off and on through next week as well. Temperatures for the next 7 days are going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s, with overnight lows being in the 60s, Janine.